Welcome back to the channel for, you know, another adventure with your boy Vince. Check that out, right hand drive. But yeah guys, so today's video, a few things on the agenda. Gotta get the transmission gearing for this car. For the 6-speed swap, we have the synchro and the second gear getting pressed in right now from the homie Alec at his shop. So when he's done with that, we'll put that up. Hopefully we swapping the transmission out soon, a couple days, maybe tomorrow or whatever we get the chance to. But so that's getting handled right now. This car, you see, got the wheels on. These are the bulk ZE40s. The black color is pretty. I'm not a fan of black wheels, but they're not bad for now. I do want to get these powder coated in the future. Not too bad. The coat on these, he said, aren't the best, like a cheap spray, but yeah, Volt Racing, Race, Forged. The real color was supposed to be the full white with the red stripe, but I might do these either bronze or white color, but we'll see. Anywho, did a few pulls on the Evo the other day, and somehow the power steering hose exploded, and it's all over the car still. So I get that thing fixed right now, have the hose, and add some more fluid, wash this thing. It's fast, man. I did the first like actual full throttle, and it's intense. Apparently my friend said behind me the car squatted like pretty violently, and it was like this the whole entire way. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. So then that, get the transmission gearing pressed in, and then hopefully get some pulls for today's video for you guys. And I've been waiting, but you know, doing what we can here, keep it going. So all right. Oh, also guys, how was the intro video? You guys like it? Let me know. My friend Megan put it together for me. It's a quick little video, see what we can do. We might switch it up over time, add a few things, change up the intro, but for now, it's our first time doing it, making a video like that, so pretty cool. I like it. And boom, look at that. Out with the old, in with the new. Fire this thing up and get this fluid flowing. All right, cold start. Shenanigans.
Wait, do that again?
Need for leaks or anything? Shouldn't be.
Do it one more time?
Everything's tight. I know we good. I did it.
I heard some fluid.
E85. That's all it is. Come on, baby. You can stand for a minute too. I ain't gonna cap. There you go. It did? Cycle through, because I did a pull of it the other night with some friends, and somehow the hose exploded. I think because it was rubbing against the tire, the way the way the hose was routed. But yeah, it's going away. That little squeak, it's not squeak, but the noise it makes Also, I got a new GoPro sticky mount. So no more cheap, you know, Walmart brand. I have a real suction cup by GoPro, so we're good. All right, power steering check, oil level check, drain the catch can, pick up the gears from Alex after this, and then put the car wash. So back to work. Gonna drain out this catch can. Now I'm vlogging. Drain the catch can, and then we're gonna hit the road. I might need some pliers. There we go. If anything comes out, yeah. Check it out. I'm gonna show y'all too for the vlog. This is what draining your catch can looks like.
What the fuck? It looks like water.
It's like E85, doesn't it? Street E85.
Yeah, it does.
It's pretty cool. Or that blow by. Now I'm gonna change real quick.
It just smells like, it looks like gas.
See y'all in a minute. Here's my boy Alex shop. This idle, bro. I can't get over it. Good. Got my boy Alex here. Gonna press in this gear for me. Brand new second gear and a brand new synchro for the RSX. See? Yeah, brand new. And my fluid came in last night. The turbo fluid, not the synchro right there. I wanted to see it as well.
Hey!
Yeah.
Man, that's crazy.
Better go banging some game.
All right, when Alex come back, I'm gonna give him the first little ride in the Evo. Let's make some room. Set the GoPro right about now. Yeah. I'm gonna do one more hit.
A few inches later.
That was fun. He likes it, he approves, and here's his car. I see his car in a minute too. Beefy ass tires. What are these? 265? Yep, 265, 35. Looks good. I got like 10 minutes. Not my credit card. Yeah, get all that fucking power steering fluid off. We're getting cleaned up. Yeah, you know the vibes. You know the vibes. So we're gonna head to the meet, hang out for a little bit, and then try and get my transmission from the RSX taken apart tonight. I had the other one sold that's in the car, the 5-speed. So I got everything I need now. So it's a matter of us putting it together at this point. These are my things now. I'm gonna head to the car meet right now, actually. So see y'all there. All right, so last meet, I ain't walk around that much. So I'm gonna film what I can while I'm here.
Oh, no. What?
Y'all ate, my bad. Damn, bro, you don't trust me?
What time is it? It is 8:40. Matter of fact, I'm on my phone. Watch this. I'm gonna need y'all to get it together and follow your boy. Boom. Finish that showing you. Follow your boy. I said I ain't filmed last video that much.
I left the baby lost.
Baby duty.
I get to smoke my cigarette.
Oh, you good? Got the homies RSX. I'm not a Sans guy, I know that, but it's just clean. Definitely clean.
Much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Right back into the video. Getting ready to pull the trans out. Here is the SI. Had a drill out right here for the speed sensitive read. Just clean that out, put it together, and then stop this thing. We're good. So right now we're working on getting everything transferred over for the main shaft, right? Working on now the main shaft.
Yeah.
So that's the shredded one. We're gonna put in the new gears onto the new one. The selector I had to modify by using. This is from the 5-speed. Was on 6-speed, right?
No, this is the 5.
That's the 5-speed one. See how this is shorter. The length, the 6-speed is a lot longer than that. Swap it over. Same scenario. Go ahead, grab it. See how it's longer right here. And compare it right here. Yeah, so that's about it. So this whole unit right here just switches over. Now we're doing this. Didn't film too much, guys, but new trans back together. Got the Honda bond on. He's cleaned out the casing, and then put it together. Dropped the old one out, put the new one in. I kind of made a mistake drilling out the selector for the new casing, for the suited casing. So we're gonna try and work around that, but it should be fine. Alright, 5-speed is officially out for the 2. Go ahead. Yeah.